Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making chickpea and red lentil patties. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the chickpea and red lentil patties. You will need 540 ml of chickpeas rinsed and drained, 1 onion finely diced, half a cup of dried red lentils, half a cup of fresh parsley finely chopped, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 litre of water, and some vegetable oil for frying. And this is how your patties should look like. Serve it as a meal for Soma or as a vegan dish. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!